Welcome to Volvo Connect Workshop Services. This is where you access our lineup of time-saving services designed for your workshop. In the following, we will briefly cover the services available. Which of them you can access depends on to which services you subscribe. Workshop services provide in-depth vehicle information and time log diagnostics, as well as access to documentation, instructions, and software to make service and repair work swift and efficient. On the start page, you see the menu bar, the search box, and your most recently viewed vehicles. From the user menu to the right of the menu bar, you find direct links to several other services. Which of these services you can access here depends on your region and market. If the vehicle you're looking for is not shown, you can search by chassis number, VIN number, or registration number. Click on a vehicle widget to see more. Beside your vehicle list, you now see three sections for diagnostics, vehicle information, and service information. Diagnostics. This section consists of widgets for registered D2Cs, which is diagnostic trouble codes, and the D2C library. If the D2C widget is red, it means that there are active D2Cs. To find out what, just click on the widget. You now get a list of fault codes, status and information about first and latest occurrence. Click on a row in the list to see a fault code description, plus how many times the fault occurred. Timeline. Below the widget is a timeline presenting D2Cs and service activities in chronological order. Click on the timeline to expand it. For D2Cs, you now see the status and general information. For repairs, you get a description of the service event, a task description, service records, and the parts used. D2C library. For selected fault codes, additional information can be found in the D2C library. That's where you can search for more information helpful for fault tracing. Click on the widget and enter the D2C ID into the search fields. Vehicle information. The vehicle information widget shows the basic information on the vehicle. Click on it to expand it and to display a list of all the control units of the vehicle. Each of the items can be expanded by clicking on the arrow to the far right, thus showing the full list of part numbers involved. Service information. To get the work done, you need the right information. In this widget, you get access to three Volvo systems: software and documents, Impact, where you find repair instructions, manuals, etc., and wiring diagrams. Software and documents. Here you have a powerful search engine to find software downloads for your vehicle and several types of documentation, including driver information. Below the search fields, you see a list of the most recent software releases. Impact. Impact is the extensive service and repair handbook. It holds descriptions and instructions down to the last detail for virtually all Volvo models. Wiring diagrams. In a bus, there are kilometers of cabling. In this section, you can find correct information and instructions for the wiring in dozens of languages. You search by model, engine type, body and steering wheel position, or by chassis number. The search will return the documents you need in PDF format. And that concludes this quick tour of Volvo Connect Workshop Services.